Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. I'm having a workshop next Saturday, Sunday in Chennai. The workshop is full. So in fact, this is the first time my workshop is full 2 weeks before the starting date. Because of this, so I immediately launched another workshop in Bengaluru, so next month. So if you're interested, you can check the description. You can subscribe for the workshop. Today is the first trading day in October series. And today, the important event is RBI policy. But as I told you already, so nobody is expecting any rate cut and nobody expecting any rate hike also. Most of the people are expecting a status quo. But anyway, uncertainty is an uncertainty until it becomes certainty. So although people are speculating, but people will wait until 10 a.m. To know what is exactly being delivered by RBI. And more importantly, people will be looking for the clue what RBI governor is going to speak. Whether he'll be speaking something like, this Trump tariff may affect India if this problem continues, something like that negatively, or he may talk positively. Inflation keep on going down, we are in a comfortable situation and this and that. So, today the issue is not the rate increase or rate decrease. Today the issue is whether the RBI governor will speak dovishly or hawkishly. So that is on one side. And another side, some positives I will talk first. Number one, since May 12, okay, when the Indo-Pakistan ceasefire was announced, the Nifty has never closed below 24,500, which is just about 100 points away from where the Nifty closed yesterday. I think 3 or 4 times it broke 24,500 on intraday basis, but did not close below. I think only once it closed below 24,500. So therefore, we are somewhere near the support level. So that is one positive. Second positive, earlier, many times I have observed, if the market keeps on falling for about 1 week to 2 weeks, if Nifty closes at the lowest point of the series, then uniformly the first trading session, so there used to be a rally. The rally means not a very big thing, but at least, 0.5% or 0.25%, 0.75%. So the reason is that, until yesterday, those people would have taken a lot of positions in options, So to adjust their delta, they must be doing a lot of things. So that can influence the market. But very first trading session, so there'll be not much open interest. Only few positional traders will be having positions. So those option positions might not influence the market. So that's why uniformly markets rally. And in fact, most of the incidences have seen the market rally in the first 45 minutes. But today, because of RBI policy, that may not happen. And people may wait for the RBI policy to get over to decide that direction. And the third positive thing is that FIAs have sold for 2,500 crore yesterday, but the domestic institutions have bought for 5,000 plus crore. So domestic institutions have pumped in more than 2 times what FIAs have sold yesterday. But now come to the negative side. So there are negatives also. Number one, as of yesterday, Nifty had a 9 straight red candles. For 8 straight days, markets fell. So probably this may be a very, very rare event. I do not know when this has happened earlier. Even during the peak of Trump tariff in the month of February, the Nifty had only 8 red candles, but now we are having 9 red candles. Situation is worse than the Trump tariff. Number 2, if you ask me what are the 2 good things BJP has done, I will tell you. One is corporate tax reduction in 2019 and then GST reduction in 2025. Just imagine when the corporate tax was reduced, during the next 2 trading sessions, Nifty almost shot up 10%. But what happened this time? GST is being reduced with effect from September 22. But from the day September 22, market is falling every day. So when there is such a good news and market keeps on falling, and not only from September 22, the fall has actually started even 1 or 2 days before. But the fact is that this reduced GST will be applicable from September 22. So we know the news at least 2-3 weeks before itself. So the people know that GST is going to be reduced from September 22, but 1 or 2 days before itself, market started falling, and that fall is continuing, and this fall is making a record, falling 9 straight days, 9 straight days of red candle. And I didn't check the chart, but in February, I checked, when the market had 8 red candles, and market did not bottom out. There was some technical bounce, some intraday rally, but then after that, market continued to fall another 4%. And after falling another 4% only, the Nifty bottomed out. So if you go by the same logic, if 24,500, if the support is broken, if Nifty closes below that, so there is a possibility we might go even towards 23,500. So this is the ultra bearish view. And second bad thing, although domestic institutions have bought for more than 2 times the FIA selling, but look at the FIAs. For the last 7 or 8 trading sessions, every trading session they are selling for 2,500 crore. Right? So as I told you, large amount is being sucked out from the system through a large number of IPOs. Of course, there are some IPOs which are good quality IPOs, and Tata Capital is one, LG Electronics is one. So these are like high quality papers. But the point here is that, okay, the lot of money is being moved to primary market from the secondary market. So that is also another risk for the market. So I've given the argument for both bull and bear, and checking the GIFT Nifty, that's indicating about 20-25 points lower opening. So that's mainly because of the global headlines. Right? So yesterday, midnight, this US shutdown happens. So people thought there'll be some kind of an agreement in the last minute. So that's why the markets did not fall yesterday in the US. In fact, market moved higher significantly. But after the market close, so the midnight passed, so there was no agreement between the 2 parties. So because of that, US shutdown is imminent now. So because of that, the US futures are down, and because of that, some Asian markets are down. But although we have not been following the global cues for the last 1 week, there's none of the world market were falling like India for the last 8 trading sessions. So our market is totally different now. So overall, the first 45 minutes, markets may be jittery. Market may wait for some clue from RBI policy. So after that, market may take a direction. So that direction is going to be upside or downside, we do not know. but we will be happy if it is upside. Markets are extremely oversold, okay, but we need to see if there is any technical bounce. But every day some kind of a technical bounce is happening intraday basis, but that is uniformly being sold into. So this is the picture now. As I told you, I'm sticking to my view 24,500 to 25,000 for the next two trading sessions, today and Friday. Tomorrow is a public holiday. And today is a Sensex expiry. So RBI policy, Sensex expiry, the first trading session, all this can make market volatile. But I still strongly believe that 24,500 will be held on today. But if it is not held on, then we will say the bulls are very, very weak. So let us see what is going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.